Welcome students. This video is about the construction of angles. So let us start. The first angle which we will take up is 60 degrees. So first draw a line segment, say 5 or 6 centimeter, a straight line you can draw like this. Let us name it as AB. Take the compass, fix the pencil and take some arc of suitable radius. Keep the pointed end of the compass at one end of the line segment. Now just cut the arc like this, correct? Now without changing the radius of the arc, just see, there shouldn't be any change, correct? Without changing the radius of the arc, where this arc cut the line, at this point you have to place the compass pointed end and cut the original drawn arc, correct? Like this. Now the point at which this end point and this intersection of the two arcs, we will draw a straight line passing through them, through A and this point of intersection. So if you will measure, this angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. That means angle CAB equal 60 degree. So this is how we construct 60 degree. What did I do? Step 1, what did I do? Draw a line segment say AB equal to 6 centimeter you can take. Step 2, keep the compass at A and draw an arc to cut the line AB. Step 3, keep the compass pointer at the point where the arc cuts the line and draw an arc to cut the earlier arc without changing the radius, correct? So draw the line segment AB equal to 6 cm. So I have drawn AB equal to 6 cm. Then you have to keep the compass at point A. I kept the compass at point A and draw an arc to cut the line AB. I have drawn an arc to cut the line AB, correct? Keep the compass pointer at the point A where the arc cuts the line. This arc is cutting the line at here, so I kept the compass here and draw an arc to cut the earlier arc. So see, what was the earlier arc? This was the earlier arc. So I am cutting the earlier arc, correct? Without changing the radius. This radius is same. And last step is join CA through the point of intersection of arcs, because this is one arc and this is the other arc. This is the point of intersection of arcs. So I have joined CA through the point of intersection of arcs, and you get finally angle CAB equal to 60 degree. This is how we construct 60 degree. Let us now construct 120 degree. So how will we draw 120 degree? So just have a look. 120 degree is also very simple. First draw a straight line. Take the arc of suitable length. Keep the compass pointer at one of the ends, and this time draw a little longer arc, because the first, now place the compass at the point where this arc is meeting the line, correct? And this is the first point of intersection. This will give you the 60 degree mark. Now lift the compass point and place it at this point and put another cut like this, correct? This will be the 120 degree mark. Now you have to draw the line from this point through the second arc which we had cut. So this angle will be 120 degree. So you can mark the angle ABC, and angle ABC will be equal to 120 degree. Let us take the case of the 90 degree angle. This time we will draw 90 degree, construct 190 degree angle. So again draw a straight line first, as always we draw. Mark it as AB. Take the compass, arc of suitable length. Keep the compass pointer at one end of the line. Cut an arc of suitable length, because the logic is we will mark the 60 degree arc, then we will mark the 120 degree arc. I am not changing the radius of the arc, and I know that 90 lies between 60 and 120. So one arc at the upper side from the 60 degree point and from the 120 degree point. So it will give me a point which will fall in between 60 and 120 degree, and if I join this to A like this, what I will get is the 90 degree angle. So this is how we get the 90 degree angle, correct? So angle PAB is equal to 90 degree. So one more we can do, that is 30 degree angle. This will be obtained by bisecting the 60 degree angle. So what I will draw? First I will draw one line segment, name it as AB. Take the compass, take an arc of suitable radius, and I will cut an arc like this, and on this arc again I will cut an arc. This will be the 60 degree. Now if I am the question is to construct 30 degree, so I will not draw the 60 degree line. Instead, now I can change the radius. From the 60 degree arc I will cut an arc in this direction, because 30 degree will be lesser than 60 degree, it will come this side only. And from this straight line 0 mark I will cut another arc to cut the earlier arc. If I join this intersection of the arcs to the point A, the angle which I will get is the 30 degree angle. That is, this is how we bisect the 60 degree angle. So angle CAB is equal to 30 degree. So thank you friends, keep watching the videos. For more and more uploads, please subscribe. You will get the notifications if you have subscribed. All the latest videos information will come to you. Thank you. Bye bye.